eyes. An eye is that most important sense organ which helps us in viewing the things. We see things only when light coming from them enters our eyes. Let us learn what is inside our eye. The eye is roughly spherical in shape. The outer coating of the eye is white in color. It is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accidents. The transparent spherical membrane over the bulge in front of eyeball is called cornea. Between the cornea and the lens, there is a dark muscular structure or diaphragm called iris. Iris has a small hole in it which is called as pupil. Iris gives distinctive color to the eye. If iris is green, then eye looks green. If iris is grey, then eye looks grey. Iris also controls the amount of light entering into the eyes by controlling the size of the pupil. If the light is dim, then the pupil will open wide or dilate to allow more light to enter the eye. And if light is bright, then the pupil will open less or contract so that less light enters into it. Behind the pupil of the eye, there is a lens which is thicker at the center. That is, it is a convex lens. It is the most sensitive part of the eye. Lens focuses the light on the back of the eye. The lens is held in its position by the ciliary muscles. The layer on the back of the eye is called retina. It works like a screen where the lens focuses the light. An image of the object is formed. The retina contains several nerve fibers and blood vessels. There are two kinds of nerve cells, cones and rods. Cones are sensitive to bright light and also sense color. Rods are sensitive to dim light. Sensations felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. The point at which optic nerve leaves the eye has no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot. This spot is called the blind spot.